Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one because my mission as a nurse in life is to help people. And my journey has been a long and winding one, to say the least. But in doing this Optavia plan, I have learned so much about myself, about my body requirements, about how my body loses weight, and as I've gotten older, how it's become more difficult to do so with hormonal changes and all the things that make us women. So any of you guys out there are more than welcome to listen to this, but I can only speak for myself because I'm a woman. And with all of that, I have learned the way I need to nourish my body is through small meals throughout the day and having a phenomenal amount of nutrients into my diet that I had a really difficult time doing while I was just eating regular food. I've also learned that counting macros and meal prepping took a ton of my time, and I want to start enjoying my time and my family time and not worrying so much about all of that other stuff. So with that being said, I decided to take the leap. I was contacted by Optavia to become a health coach, and I decided to do so. What that means is if any of you out there are interested in the plan, are on the plan, or want to know more about the plan, I could be your contact person. I will coach you. I will talk to you daily, weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. And that is the starting point of what I'm going to be doing. I am going to help you like I do on keto, like I do with my keto clients, but with Optavia. And I will get you to your goal, just like my coach is doing for me. And while, yes, we can do this without a coach, I have to tell you, when I did MetaFast years ago, I didn't have a coach, and I, of course, strayed off of it. With this plan, you have a coach, and that's me. And it's free, 100%. You don't pay anything to have a coach. And while I will be coaching you and guiding you and giving you tips and tricks and all kinds of information, we will be sharing one of the most precious parts of anybody's life, and that is reaching a goal. So if you have any questions or want to learn more about this, leave a comment below. I would be more than happy to call you on the phone and discuss and talk to you. So all I need is some basic information, but leave a comment below if you're interested in this. I will contact you and we can chat personally, one-on-one, all about your goals and how I can help you reach them. So anyway, that's today's video. I hope you take this and are interested and excited because Optavia has really changed my life within the past couple of weeks. I am back to, like you know, my hormone levels are good, my vitamin levels are good, and to boot, I'm down a bunch of weight. And if you don't know any of that, go back and watch some of my other videos that I've had up the last few weeks. So anyway, that's it, guys. I am an official certified Optavia coach, and I'm also a registered nurse for those of you that don't know. So I have a whole background, 30 years of medical training, history, working, and yeah, so this is my passion. This is a new journey for me, and the lighting in here is terrible. I'm sorry. I'm trying really hard to get good lighting, but anyway, I guess that's where I'm going to end my video. Have a great day, guys. I hope you're psyched about this. Wish me luck. Support me. Even if you're not interested, I would love your support and good wishes. Stay focused. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye, guys.